Hey everyone, hope you're all doing great. I have got an exciting job update for all the freshers out here. Spectre Technologies Private Limited has just released multiple openings for freshers across various roles. Here are the roles they are currently hiring for: Quality Analyst Engineer, React.js Developer, Node.js Developer, Python, Business Developer, and UI UX Designer. Now let's talk qualifications. For all roles except business developer, you need to have BTech, MCA or BCA. But if you're applying for the business developer role, then MBA is mandatory. Job location is Noida. This is a work from office opportunity only. So do apply only if you're open to working from the office. The interview process will be face to face for shortlisted candidates. Now, if you're interested and meet the criteria, here's how you can apply. Just send your updated resume to either of these mails: dimpy.dutt@specto.com, kushi.kaushik@specto.com. Make sure your subject line clearly mentions the role you're applying for. So, guys, if you're a fresher and looking to kickstart your career in a solid tech company, don't miss out on this opportunity. If you haven't subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon next to it for latest updates.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting us. See you again. Bye bye.